Pain and hardship is an inevitable part of life. We all go through some sort of pain. We all go through multiple types of pain in our lives, and one of the most prominent types of pains is heartbreak, disappointment. You thought you'd be spending your entire life with this person, and the first thing that you do is try and reach out, try and apologize, try and beg, and lo and behold, it didn't work. Now, I was in this boat myself. I have been guilty of it as of recent. I have been the one who has been pursuing. I have been the one who's been begging, who's been apologizing for things that everything wasn't my fault. So at the end of the day, what you're doing is just basically showing no respect to the other person. And you're showing the other person that you don't respect their boundaries, and that is where you are going entirely wrong. Now, I'm not going to kid around. I know it is extremely painful to go through this type of process. It is extremely painful to go through this grieving process because it is like someone has died. You have lost a loved one. You have basically lost the person that you thought that you spent your entire life with. And I, for one, can completely understand how painful that really is. And people always say, move on, get over it. And I know it is not that simple. If you're watching this video right now, you are in a pain, you are in grief, and you do not know how to go about moving forward with your life. The best thing that you can do right now is start by focusing on the things that was lacking in your life to begin with. You had goals before the relationship. You had dreams before the relationship. You had dreams while you were in the relationship, yet they are still not achieved. And the only person that you can blame for that is yourself. At the end of the day, I do know that it takes a lot of time and energy to get over this pain. I do know that focusing on everyday things becomes an enormous task because all you can think about is, what did I do wrong? Where did we go wrong? How can I fix this? I don't blame you because I've been there as of recent. But we need to take a step back and breathe. We need to take a step back and realize that we could either A, keep on pursuing this, keep on hurting ourselves because that is what you're essentially doing, keep on begging for a person who doesn't want you, or you can choose option B, which is the better option. Fix what is lacking in your own life. You've always wanted to build an online business. You've always wanted to start going to the gym. You've never done that. Well, this is the perfect time to do that. And although it may be difficult at first, and trust me, it's going to be difficult to focus on everyday things. It's going to be difficult to stay motivated during times like this, and I'm going through a time like this as of right now. And what I can tell you is that this morning I just woke up and I felt different. I felt like, you know what, I can still feel the pain, I can still feel the emptiness, and it's probably going to be there for a while, but I feel a sense of calm. And eventually that day will arrive, or that morning will arrive, when you get up and you feel okay, you feel calm, you feel like you've been rejuvenated somewhat. You feel like you can get up and do your things again. And there's no magic pill for it. You just need to keep believing that you can. You just need to have the mindset of, if they really want to be around me again, they will make a plan. It is as simple as sending a text message. It is as simple for them as pushing the unblock button. It is as simple for them to make a phone call, to send a damn message. So if they really want to, have no excuse. Let's be honest, if you're in this situation, you've already begged, you've already pleaded, you've already apologized for things that you shouldn't even apologize for. You've already gone the extra mile to show them that you've changed. You've already gone the extra mile to show them that you appreciate them and that you want them in their life. And unfortunately, if that is not reciprocated, it is not the correct time. The best thing that you can do right now is show them what they're missing out on. Is show them that you are to a party, that you understand right now what you need to do is show them that you've changed through action and, ironically, through silence. Go radio silent. Focus on what you want to achieve in life. Focus on becoming the highest version that you can be of yourself, because that is what will attract that particular person. That is what will show them that you are actually trying to change. You are actually respecting their boundaries, and that is the best thing, my friend, that you can do right now. I know that what you're going through right now is extremely painful. I know that it might feel like your world is ending, that a part of your soul has been destroyed, and I can't blame you, because if you've invested all of that time into a person, you've invested all of your dreams into that person, you've seen yourself with this person forever, and they've left. I know exactly how painful that can be, and I would love you to share your story down below in the comment section if you feel like. But my friend, life indeed does go on, and you will reach a stage where I wouldn't say the pain disappears. I think the pain will always be there. I think the loss will always be there. But at the end of the day, you'll reach a stage and you'll wake up and you'll say to yourself, well, today I feel a little bit better. Today I'm not consumed by all of these wild thoughts in my imagination. Today I'm not consumed by the thoughts of who are they with, what are they doing, are they okay, are they still thinking about me? The truth is, my friend, if they're still thinking about you, and if the day arrives when they think about you and they really miss you, they will reach out. It's not your responsibility anymore. You've done what you could. They know where they stand with you. They know for a fact that you still care. Leave it up to them. Put the ball in their court. Make sure you're subscribed to Goals and Growth for more relationship content, motivational content, fitness content, and self-improvement content from the top shelf. And I'll see you next time.